Kublai ya pi paro kibapet ya kene ko kubor upet ngo cable news. Kimat bakong san jong kubor menta kita yo kilong. Lap kipulit se kawe kawan na wai saudong. Kila kubur bakila don kti haka kampenya ong uba Vivex im. Ja se kawe kapun jong kesunam. Yo kipulit arsi bantokit ya kesunam bat ya uraj. Hadin kacing iya no kam uba Jemino. Nje General Secretary Thmai ke UDP ha ke jingalang CEC ke Banwan. Yo sithi thungkam arspa ngut kinas bat sispa khatsanut kinong trai ke National Ayush. Grup Katanat Customs yau drug uba laipo point iwe hinyau klurtingka na lai tali kijaka. Bat bu mau nongrim bantai ya ke Additional Secretariat ke ba sispa san pondriu klurtingka hatura. Kum shibenta jong kajing tokit halor kajing syapenyap uraja Raghuvanshi Hawe Saudong Sora hakasni ba jong katayong kipulit ka Meghalaya kilalet yalam ya kasunam Raghuvanshi rengkat bat ikilaingut u Akash Rajput u Vishal Singh Chauhan bat u Anand Kurmi kibala subajur bakila don kti hakaban penyap ya uraja bat hakane kajing let ban penwan durbiang ya karukomle hakaba penyap kipulit bat ke SDRF kilalap saya kawai kawan kabala pendon kam hakatai ka kam penyak beriu.
Gaganhuan Special Investigation Team SIT jong Kejala Meghalaya. Kalali alam seseorang yang kesunam Raghuvanshi rengkat bagi laingut kibakentup yu Akash Rajput Vishal Singh Chauhan badu Anand Kurmi kibala subajur bagi di kebedan keti hakaben penyap yu raja haka arpulai tarik jemang. Kani kejing alam ikini ki subano penyap beriau kadai kum shibenta jong kejing tokit kam tam hagaban pen scam baga sonam bat uraj khoshwaha usam la jongka rengkat bat kilaingut kiwaipat kiladon keti hagaban shim ya kejing jong raja Raghuvanshi. Gaganhuan SIT kilalit alam yakini syaka parking lot jong kakshat we saudong dan penwandur yaki AKA hagaba kilashim ya kejing jong raja Raghuvanshi. Sonam Akash Rajput Vishal Singh Chauhan dan Anand Kurmi kila kedau bat peni kumno kila le akaban peniap yu raja. Bat hadian bekila dat peniap kumno kila pet pat nak kena kejaka jengok kai kabana seora. Nengkongnya kipulit kila lit yalam mikini syamau lakiat kejaka kaba kesonam bu raja kila lit bansa. Bat hadian kini kila wan yalam yaki syaka parking lot jengko we saudong. Bat nang nepat kila hiar syakajaka kabadan ke viewpoint ya kabala bret ke mediap uraja sporiat. Kani kejing pak batai gerkom le kejongki hagasngi bagala peniap yu raja karang ya chakmat menta wak dapedeng kejing dum lo bat kejing jauh slap.
So we have done reconstruction in 5 places starting from Maulakiat up to Waisaudong parking lot, and this reconstruction has been based on the interrogations we've been conducting over the last few days. I have already told you that in the interrogations they have admitted to the offence, and we just had to actually replay or recast how they had done it. And we started off from the Maulakiat parking lot where they had kept the scooties. Then we had moved on to a place about 3 to 4 kilometers from Waisaudong parking lot, whereby they had stopped to take photographs, and there was an attempt in that place, but it was not feasible because Raja started off his bike, and so they had to move on. And they had stopped about 200 meters away from the Waisaudong parking lot. There only photographs were taken, but attempt was not made in that point. We finally came to the Waisaudong parking lot where the scooties were kept. We ascertained where the scooties were kept and the position of the scooties vis-a-vis the parking lot, and where they had actually made an ingress into the viewpoint. After that, we had gone to the viewpoint. We had ascertained where Raja was standing. We had taken to replay the whole thing. We had taken one of our personnel from the Fire and Emergency Services as Raja to replay the role of Raja. We have ascertained what was the position just before the murder who was standing where, and how the blow took place. So 3 blows took place. The first blow was by Vishal, alias Vicky. The second blow was by Anand, and the last blow was by Akash. In our interrogation, we have ascertained that there is one more dao or machete which needs to be recovered. It is still down there. They have replayed of how they have thrown the 2 daos. The first dao which was thrown has been recovered, and you have seen that, I think, in certain visuals. It has an orange handle. The second machete which is not recovered, and from which they have shown as to where is the point of it being thrown, it's got a steel handle. The SDRF are on the job. They've gone down, and they've taken handheld metal detectors to try to recover the weapon. We have also ascertained how Akash, the white shirt which we had recovered with the body on the 2nd of June, that was thrown by Akash. That was his shirt. He has shown us from where he has thrown that. We have also ascertained as to what happened to the mobile of Raja, which was first damaged. See, Raj is an employee of Sonam's family's company. His disappearance out there would be suspicious. That's why he was always in touch with the family.
जो सीन रिक्रिएशन के समय सोनम ने क्या कबूल किया है कि वो इस घटना में शामिल है, उसने ये हत्या की है?
Very much.
कबूल की है आज?
Yes, very much. Right from the beginning, I said in her statements, she has already admitted to this whole scheme of things. See, when any criminal who is actually caught will regret their actions and all that. So we cannot say whether they have remorse. Regret they have, remorse I can't say. Down there, right from Nongriat only, there was no gold being worn on him. It was already in the bag.
Was it hit from behind? Was it taken by surprise?
Yes, he was taken by surprise. The first hit was from Vicky, and it was I think it was a very hard hit, because it used, I think, 2 hands it used for that hit. So that was the lethal hit. See, Sonam was there when this happened and all that, and Sonam had already given a signal to them just before the parking lot that they should finish the job. And Sonam was close by. In fact, she was in front when this happened. Sonam was in front, Raja was behind, Vishal was to the right, Akash was just to the behind but to his left, and Anand was to his right, or to his left. When this happened, when the first shot, when the first hit was given by Vishal, and the blood came out and he had fallen, which we have reconstructed that, she ran off from that place because he was screaming. So she just moved away from that spot. And the body was thrown by the 3 of them. 2 of them held from the hands and 1 person held from the legs, and he was thrown down. They have mentioned out there that he had because it's terrace, that the precipice out there is terraced. The body had fallen into one kind of a platform, and from there on went right down. In a statement, we have ascertained 1 more weapon, which I have said. Today they have shown us, because of the kind of terrain out there, which is a perpendicular fall to the gorge. The SDRF is here and they will be recovering it. If they can get today, we're hoping that they should get today. If not, then tomorrow. But the whole the hitting of the victim with that, or using that weapon on the victim, has been ascertained, and where that weapon was thrown from has also been ascertained. As per the postmortem report, there were 2 wounds on the head. So the third one, which Anand has said, when he had taken his shot, he was very nervous, and I think it didn't make much of an impact. Also, if there's an impact, also the kind of decomposition which the body has had, postmortem examination wasn't able to ascertain that gash out there. But the two head injuries from sharp weapons are very clear.
Hey, what? Good job.
Hagani ke jengelam biang yakini ki bala subah penyap kila phala ba kila penankam arteli kiwat. Ya ka ba kawai ka ba kila berat kedai ke balalap di kipulet. Ka ba kawai pat kipulet ke empat semlalap satya. Kumta halor kini ke jeng phala kipulet bat ka kenhon ke SDRF kila hiar biang cepo karyat banwat bat hadien katukane kila yo ekne kawat ke baar ka ba kila penankam haga ban pom ban penyap ya Raja Raghuvanshi. Superintendent kipulet ke District East Khasi Hills uba Vivek SIM. Habai keren bikinong patai kubor, ulong balengba kene kejing penuan dor biang halor kejing syak penyap uraja. Kile ekador ke basyai kedar, bat daring video ru. Ba kila don ru ginong sakhi shmet, ba kene kejing penuan dor biang ya kejing ja jong kakam penyap, kelalong ke basai so. Uli itu baka Special Investigation Team kalau pendolong ya kejing penuan dor ya kene kejing ja, hakisan teli kijaka kebelas sedang naduk kesenong mau lakiat, caduk ka parking lot ke Badan Hawai Saudong. Uba Vivek SIM ulong bakini kibla subah don keti ka kam penyap kila kubur baki lele kene ka kam baman ban penyap ya Raja. Superintendent kipulet uli itu bah ka benengkong kila lap ya kawai kawat ke badan ya ujing bat no handle rongso. Baki lalap se kawat ke baar pat no Hawai Saudong ke badan ya ke jingbat no handle da ke steel. Uli itu baka kenhon jong ke SDRF kila penankam diki metal detector ban lap ya kene kawat ke baar kaba kila penankam haka ban penyap haka bau akash ula pom nengkong ban baar la pom sau anan ban unanan ula pom biang haka balai bat hadien kani kila berat no eka met jong Raja sepok karyat bat pet no na kene kejaka uba Vivek SIM ulong bagi pulet ken sale eka charge sheet kloy halor kene kejingja.
See, Sonam's phone she's actually destroyed that phone. Explore more into this. If there are other angles, if there's a financial angle, if somebody was to gain from Raja's death, like you said, if Raja was going to bag a contract, we will verify all these. In fact, right now as we are speaking, my team is there in Indore. They have gone to the flat of the flat where Sonam was kept. They've conducted search out there. The flat is empty, but they will be camping in Indore for actually questioning a lot of things. No, Raja was not known. These three were not known to Raja. In fact, once they made friends, and since the plan was known to Sonam and these three people, so when they said that they'll go to Dauki, Raja automatically made friends with them because they're from. They had said that they're going to MP, also to Dauki. And so they made plans together that from here they'd go to Dauki. And how they made their exit from this place. So this whole scheme, this whole reconstruction of the murder, the offense has been played out today. We have got a very clear picture. We have recorded in videography. We've got independent witnesses to cover it. And I think the reconstruction was very, very successful.
Hakasi balai jong katayo kayeng kasari kala syong tian bishar halo kejing syak penyap Raja Raghuvanshi bat kala penmi ya ke hukum ban set arsengi ha ke police custody ya ke Sonam Raghuvanshi bat ya Raj Kushwaha kat ba ya kilaingot kiwai pat ke bala subadon kti ban set kat sausengi ha ke judicial custody.
Haswa bagi pulik kejela kanit benelam begini kisangot ciking syari bantian bishar hakapor lai ar pobensni le alam mega Sonam Uraj Kushwaha Akash Rajput Vishal Singh Chauhan bat Anand Kurmi Civil Hospital Shillong manle ek medical check up hadin katu kene por bela pendap ek medical check up ki pulit kila perkheng bhai kejingya dai kini ke bela subah no penyap bat le alam no Shakasadar police station. Habagi breu kelawan bancim dawai ne banwan pet ginong pang kili i kejing buan jong ki pulet ha hospital bagi latip lawan alam kini sangut kumta kile mi ban yeng bani opit kaya ki Hagapor ndreu arpsan janmiat jong kasngi palai ki pulet kilami na kasadar police station banelami ni kisan ngot ki yang syari bantian bishar. Ki pulet kila perkheng bhai ke jingyada bat kila shimpor tang san minit ban poish ki yang syari. Bat la perkheng bhai ke jing pahara hakmat ke yang syari. Hagajing tian bishar ke yang syari kala hukum manset arsngi ha ka police custody ya ka sonam bat uraj khoshwaha kat bai kila ingut ki weipat kila rai ban bo ha ka judicial custody. Laban ong bahaba ke yang syari kala tian bishar nengkong ekene jingja ha ka khatwei terik ujilio kala aipor prasngi ban set ke police custody kenang bagi pulet kenyo ban penlong ya ke jing toket.
Myself and Jyoti.
Okay. Can you tell us how many days?
एक मिनट सबसे एक मिनट
करो नीचे करो भाई.
Sonam and her boyfriend is given 2 days police custody, and others they were remanded for judicial custody.
Others how many?
Repeat, please. Sonam and this Raj Kushwa given 2 days police custody, and others, that is Anand, Bishal and Akash, they were given 14 days judicial custody.
Sir, your name please.
My name is T. Chanda and my colleague additional PP, she was there, Jyoti K. Marak from the prosecution side. And from legal aid, Mr. Sudeep Rana and Priti Pradhan appeared. On behalf of the
What is the reason that only 2 days?
No, that I can, that is for investigation. No.
Superintendent ki pulet ke East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Siem ule thu bagi pulet ke 8 por saarsngi na kebenta ke police custody ya ka sonam bat uraj khoshwaha kat bai ki laingut ki weipat lapha syaka judicial custody kani kalong na kebenta ban up ya ka jinglap ki kenhun pulet ke belahir sya indoor ban penlong ya ka jing toket halor kene ka jingja bat anda kilawan pai on selak ban rai ke ke bakin le hadian pat ulong ba ka jing toket halor kene ka jingja kalaya chaprang nama gejing toket kelayat mentala prasni bagi nak arsngi ru kadai namar bagadang don gejing mi na gejing yat gejing toket namar ki kenhun pulet na kejela ke dan sya indoor ban toket iki bahayang ka sonam rengkat bawai breu belayalam ka sonam sya Uttar Pradesh ha gabede bagejing ya phone daki spasian hap dan ka sonam bat Usanje Verma uba Vivek Siem ula pensyai bagadai tangka kerteng ga basyuahi da ka sonam ha ga phone jongka namar u number udai jong Raj Khoshwaha bagi jing phone hi hapren ka sonam bu Raj Khoshwaha kadai ka babun om kumala kadau hilat patai kubor superintendent ki pulet beli thuru bagi pulet kidang wat sekawi ka phone jong ka sonam namar bagi ksiar bagi we bagi tiar baja ka sonam kala i chathe tigi pulet menta kenang wat yakini hagi jaka ke baka sonam kala poi namar kumbaga pau hi bagi ni tiar ladan bapun kerja da manu ka kenhon ru kenang toket manu balale ekani halor ke jingkam go wega breu baga chong bos lang bat ka sonam ha ka nyu trik ujileu superintendent ki pulet ulong baga ne kamlong ka basisha namar ka sonam ka don ha indoor ha ka ne ka smi.
See, the second team is still looking for that second phone out there, because we believe that second phone is probably with the jewelry and other items which Sonam has left behind. And we were hoping that when the team goes there and the place was locked, so the items of Sonam would be there. But it appears that it has been shifted from there by somebody, and the team is out there to ascertain who has taken it and where all these items are. See, we've reached out to him and we've written to Instagram to give us details about. We've already reached out to him, but he has not answered back to us. But we've already taken up with Instagram to give us details so that his statement can be recorded also. See, the passenger who has said that she met on the 7th, it does not add up, because Sonam was still in Indore on the 7th. So who she saw out there, I don't know. So that becomes irrelevant, because whether she really saw Sonam or not is cannot be taken as a fact, because Sonam on the 8th was still in Indore. I've just come to know that we've got 2 days of police custody. We asked 2 days police custody for Raj and Sonam, and we've got those 2 days police custody. We have sent the 3 other accused, Anand, Vicky and Akash, to judicial custody, and as and when our team arrives or we get more developments from there, we will be taking custody for them later. But as of now, we are taking two days police custody for Sonam and Raj, and we've got that. No, investigation is already in progress, and we've already taken 8 days of police custody. These 2 days we'll be taking because after the 2 days are over, then we'll do a lot of analysis also because, like I said, the team is out there in Indore, and we don't want to lose out because we'll still have another 4 days with us after the 2 days of police custody. So we are taking piecemeal. Once we have done the 2 days, then we'll do analysis and investigation, and then again, if required, we will take police custody. See, they already done the questioning of Govind Raghuvanshi out there, Govind's mother, and today they have ascertained who the driver was who took Sonam to UP. No, this name I don't know how it emanated, but Sanjay Verma is just a fictitious name which is actually registered in Truecaller. The number pertains to Raj himself, Raj Kushwaha himself.
So, Raj Kushwaha, total how many phone calls in 4 days, sir? 119 or 234?
See, regarding those statistics, I'll not be able to tell you. I don't know where you got these statistics. Those are actually evidentiary. That's evidentiary material. But the tally of calls between Raj and Sonam is huge.
U President Jong Kaseng San Perthai Riu Luom Kechala ka United Democratic Party UDP uba met ba lengdo ulaong Bashan Kaseng kan sapenlong ya kejingalang jong ka Central Executive Committee CEC banjet yo General Secretary uba thamai hadien ba uba Jeminu Mautho ula no yakateka kam bat mitno nakaseng UDP.
We had this review on the education department as far as the planning board is concerned. And we have discussed at length. It's a pretty long meeting because we understand very well that there are a lot of things need to be done in the department. And but one very important point here I would like to mention. Government alone, I could see that it will be very difficult. We need to ensure that all the stakeholders play their own role to ensure that it's complete reform as far as education is concerned. I've seen whatever they have presented on the day, that they have really worked on the changes that needs to be done as far as education department. So all who are responsible for that, they have really put on their heads together to see. But other stakeholders also have to be taken into consideration, and they also have to see that they are also equally responsible for that change in the education department. Anything is possible, always. We should always have a very positive mind. The only thing is that those who are part and parcel of that change, as I mentioned, stakeholders, they have to understand their role. What role they have to play, what role they can play, that is very important. And everyone has to be there to see that change. Then it will be positive. But if one or two or three don't accept, if you just put the blame on others only, I think we reach nowhere. So each and every stakeholder has to ensure that they are also equally responsible for that change.
Presiden Kaseng United Democratic Party UDP uba met ba lengdo ulong Bashan Kaseng katsapenlong ya kejingalang jong Central Executive Committee banjit u General Secretary betmai jong Kaseng. Habakrani gelak patai kubor haka khat pratrik ujeliu arhajar arpusan uba met ba lengdo ulithu bakani kejingalang kan la banlong ha katayo kebakat do jong mentau benai jeliu ne ha katayo benengkong jong nai tung. Laban kedau badang sian u General Secretary Kaseng UDP Dr. Jemino Mautho ulami no na Kaseng da ka ba ai dau ba udan gidau shimet bat bukwa ben plek jingmut aka kam hikai jong u. Uba met ba leng do ulong ba Kaseng kelap tiang ya kashiti en okam jong u Dr. Jemino Mautho. Da ka ba kedau ru ba ka kam thong General Secretary kam dai e ka ba kerkie ndre kum Kaseng kan kampat ya u General Secretary bethamai.
that the next CEC will sit and discuss about this resignation of, not resignation, basically, to elect the new general secretary of the party. Yeah, we have accepted, I should say. We have accepted, yes. The next CEC, in fact, we have a plan for this month end. But if not, perhaps maybe sometime in the first week of July. There's nothing to hurry about that also. But as a party, we should have GS, new GS. From one election to another election, from one MLA election to another MLA election, we were growing, no doubt about it, and we are walking in that same line. And we'll still continue to walk.
Presiden ke UDP Uba Ahmed Balengdo Ulong Baha Kabedai Begilat Jinyada Bantek Lakam ya kejungan rongker tab Kibreu ke Benabar ke Jela ka Meghalaya Residence Safety and Security Act MRSSA kan nokobor ke Baklan Banpet ngor ke jinguan rong bean Kibreu sya ke Jela Uba Ahmed Balengdo Ulong bagi yang dorbar tauan lengba baru andre pungut ki MLA geledak menjer ya ke resolution bandawana ke Sarkar Pedang banpetrai kamno ya ke inline permit ha Meghalaya Sarkar Jela geledak banpai ke resolution halor ke ILP sya ke Sarkar Pedang bat kan desa kamram jo ke Sarkar Jela belit bodian ke Sarkar Pedang ban ajing menjerno a ke bedai bat ke jing dawa petrai kam ya ke ILP ha Meghalaya Haga bedai bagi jing slam banyak jing menjur Uba Ahmed Balengdo Ulong bagi Sarkar kadai banyak bodian alur kani bat Sarkar Pedang kamar kelak bendan ke jing itu ko bat ki an ke Sarkar Pedang
See, ILP, I would like to remind that the House of 60 members have taken a decision through a resolution which the same has been sent to the Ministry, Government of India. And we have seen that even the Chief Minister, the Cabinet Ministers also, they are pursuing the same right from that point of time till to today. Now, with regards to MRSSA, I don't see anything wrong with it. They can always get the same in place to see that whatever process and system that has to be followed as far as the influx is concerned, I think it is going to help it in whatever way right now. There are few areas of concern perhaps which conflicts with the central law. That aspect has to be sorted out in case if it is there. And whatever that stop the government to go ahead with it is because of, I'm sure it must be some constraint or some issues which are part of that exercise that central government is trying to look into.
Hakabedai bat ke jing thang kali Uba Ahmed Balengdo Chairman ka Meghalaya State Planning Board ulitho basyan ka board kan sa IT ka kaipot ke Sarkar Jela hakabedai bat ke jing ai jing board bantek lakam ke jing thang kali ha Sorshilong Daga bakrau ba board kladap bansyong jingelang bunsian banwat kilat kilenti bantek lakam ya ke jing thang kali ha Sorshilong bat ka Meghalaya State Planning Board kadang bishar benia ke jing ai jing mut kisin jam bal IT di kitanat baper ke badan benta haga jing emer jingmut komno bantek lakam yak jing dhang kali haga bedai bakatanat puli puthi Uba Ahmed Balengdo Ulong baban kentio bat ban penkladur syok-syok ke puli puthi haga Jela kam dai satya tangka kamram jong Sarkar Jela dan kam ke jing snok tilang jong baro Uba Ahmed Balengdo ulitho banangsyan ka Meghalaya State Planning Board kala syong banetai halor kini kebenta ke bedai bak puli puthi bat kumno ban kentio bat penbahas syok yaka nang ne syakmat
Traffic congestion we had discussed at length on 2-3 meetings, and the planning board is examining all the points and all the actions taken by the different departments who are part and parcel of the solution as far as the traffic congestion solving issues. the board will definitely come out with some kind of a suggestion, and we're going to place it with the government for further consideration, so that the same also can be implemented in the Shillong city. This exercise is on. We will try to close it as early as possible.
So, any major recommendations from the
I will not be able to say right now, because the board is yet to sit one more time to come to a conclusion as far as the recommendation is concerned.
Kementeri jong katanat kokot kekia ke Sorkar Jela kokong Amperin Lingdo hagisni pa ar jong katayo kalalum ya ke jingalang bat ke Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Max halor ke jingkiu stat kene ke jingpang bat ban shimru ya ke senjam ban pesung thu ya ke ba ban te lakam ya ke jing sapriang ke jingpang HIV AIDS ha ke Jela.
Kementeri Ketenaga Kakoi Kakia ke Jela Meghalaya, Dr. Amperin Lingdo haka kanyo trek ujeliu ahajar arpusan, lalu megjengelang bat ke Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, banshim gisenjam ban kampenjor gi program na kebentaban IG kai, halu gejing te alaka megjeng sapriang uknyang jingpang HIV bat ke AIDS haka Jela. Haba kerani gelat patai kubor haka kanyo trek ujeliu, Dr. Amperin Lingdo. Ili itu bakatenat kan hab ban kre alor kilat, bat kilenti ban sedang ban keren ru halor ke HIV bat AIDS namar kejing ke ustad kene kejing pang ha kejela kam tam ha kijaka sor ha ka ba kidon ibayo ke HIV bat AIDS ke bala kio hado kata-kata di Dr. Amperin Lingdo li thu bekidon kendai spa prapu artli kejing ja ke batamai bejumi man kasnem bakane kadai ke bapun kendet badai bancim kiano rukum jo pancim gi senjam te alaka megane banalor kane katanat kancim kyaru halor kejingdon kibrio kibladab bantas positive yak HIV AIDS hendrai kumba khat sana do kanyo nak sispa ki eno agajing sumar bak sarkar kan hab onwat benia akadau bagila e kejing sumar nang manla mante alakam ya kane kejing pang
niyo kalat bangin ya kmi bat pen ya kane ka jingja ka bang UI saudong jongi ha kajela ka jongi pa kajela Meghalaya menta kan hab ban penkre yaki programs bat ya kilintiyan nang ni syakman ban sedang ban keren syapang kajingpang HIV AIDS ti kumbakalong habang ipet ya kita ki research ki ba ja saudong jungi kawan kajing lum jong kajing tip ba ha kajala ka jungi ni hab ban sedang ban don ki programs ki ba long targeted ki ba long focused ban discuss ya kane ka problem jong ka HIV AIDS kam tam lay ha kajaka sor numla ban mudur ba kita kibab don ya kane kejingpang HIV AIDS kila keu hadu kata-kata but haba pi yo ba kini ki numbers ki sedang ban double ban triple ti kum ka sarkar ni hab ban sedang ban don ka targeted approach ban keren syapang kumno ban address ya kani kejingkiu jong kita ki numbers jong ka HIV AIDS pila ban ong ki daw bon sin hi kidai kajingdon jong ka HIV AIDS nakadaw jong ka jingpendon kamlang ya ki needles ande kata ka baong ki inject I drunk ti haba pi pendon kamlang yakini ki inject shim yakini ki jingpuan drugs but ba pi pendon kam do jo needle but ki weapon ka jing ka chance ba pin yo HIV AIDS kalong very very high ka baar kita ki commercial sex workers lani ki breu kiba imja nakakayimen ti kitaru tengkat kiyo ya kane ka HIV AIDS bat bonsin namar bam test ya lati Kani kala bonwan lam ka jingma ka bakraw ya ka yeng ka sem ya gi bahayeng gi basem ya ka dong ka snat ka bakishong but ka sarkar tang nalade kanumla bakan telekam ne ya kanu ka program kram ka jingyetre rengkat bat ki dong kishnong ki nong yalam niam bat kumta terter ti namar bang iyo I bakani kala kham kenrei hakini gisnem ni hab ban pet ba ka sarkar kanum yo thia ban ni dei bet ban target ya kini ki jingma ki ba up ha ka imlang ka salang kumba khandai pa prapu artli ki kies ki batmai haki kendit snem manusnem kane gade very alarming but ngimla sho ngi happen adopt ki practices ki belong aggressive ngi hap ban pen ba ngile ai knang ba klem dap penrem ne klem da nyom ya kita ki bodoni ngene ki jingpang rei ni petru ba ka safety haka imlang ka salang kanum syakta pinum la ban mudur tang na pedeng jong kita ki baladep test positive ru hado khatsan khat new percent lagi ki no ya kata ka jingsha sumat balai ki ngi kum ka state ngi di ban wat hato don em ki jing tlot jong ngi kum ka sarkar ha ki programs boper ki bangi don kam kerki menta ban petyak ladanga ngade unong pang ubatip syai bangadon HIV AIDS balai nga no ya ka jingsha sumar ki gi jing hangta ti ya kaneru ngin khmi bat ngin pet dakabangaya syonglang bat kita ki targeted intervention groups lani kita ki NGOs bat ki doktor bat ki nong yalam niam ki bayarap yangi menta ha ka sarkar ban pet ba kacing sapriang jong kani ka jo uni uknyang jingpang HIV AIDS unum penma lani wanlam jingma ha ka imlang salang kani gede ka meeting ka baar ka bangala syong bat ki officers baro kam day tang ka health department ka bapet ikani ka kam kadon ka social welfare kadon ka office jong ki DC ki paper ki don ki targeted groups hapo kitnat rekam jong ka office sarkar paper meneng ye yo ban ye syonglang bat ngan saya kendu biang ye ki officers hakan lai terik bat ngala patha aki ba ke ke bangile hakini ki kat khandai snem nadu ba ka sarkar kami kalayo ye kani ke jingma ka ba am but ki ki new practice ki bangin wanra ka ka kam ka ba khamba ka bangila manle
Hashwa bangin kimi iki kubor ngenya phashwa shipor chakini ki jingpan pana Haba pai biang syaki kubor. Hakaway ke jingja ke basngaungiu. Kaway ke long kemi kala syak penyap hapo la ke jong ke yengsa ke badan hanong ra nong lum. Bat ki pulit ke la kem no ya ukurim jongka halor ke jing subajur. Ba uladon keti hakaban penyap ya la ke kurim da ke badan tem da umau ha ubenai balatep.
Superintendent ki pulit ke district East Khasi Hills uba Vivek CM habakran ikilat patai kubor hakakat kendai trik ujeliau arajar arpusan. Ulito bagi pulit kelayok ban kemno yau Donald Sotun ubala subadun keti ban peniap ala ke jongka kurim ke kong pria kong setia. Ya gamet jongka kong pria lalap hak yeng saawai jongka hanongra nonglum brei hasilong hadin laisngi bagalas apeniap. Ya kabala suba bulale kene kam hapreng ke arpusan nani arpu pratrik ujemang arajar arpusan. Kekong pria kadai kebadan arp sau senam kerta nak senong omnyo temar bad u Donald Sotun arp san senam kerta udah nak senong William mau penti. Habakran gelak patai kubor uba Vivek CM ulong bau Donald Sotun ya bala subadon keti ban peniap ala kejong ke kurim ulah syakem no. Da kebakedo ba ya kemet jong kene galong kemela lap adin laisngi bagla syak peniap. Bad kekenhun forensik ru galet cekene kejaka hakaba hagasngi kebabot dalam ru ikikso banlap ya umau bo Donald ula penankam ban peniap ialah kejong ka kurim. Uba Vivek CM le tho ba kikso K9 bala penankam lasma ya umau bat syam bade umau bola peniap ikene kelong kemia. Kumta ki pulit kilalap ya umau bat ki pulit ken sale ka charge sheet no shan ya kene ka jingja. But ki pulit kila kurup inumau bat shan kin sale ka charge sheet. Ulito ru bagi bahayeng kila de ujor e jahar ha kesi babot. But kadau bami na kene kejing syak peniap kene kelong kemi kedai namar baglami kejingan nya ha pedeng jong kini ki arngut silok. Hakaba une ubriau ula tharais neo bakane ka kurim jong kelang samla ka bami kejingan nya ka bajur. But kabalam kejing peniap ha ka por menmiat.
His accused is arrested. In fact, he surrendered on the same day himself after police gave chase. The body was actually ascertained after, it was found out after 3 days. And we had visited the place of occurrence. The forensic team also had come there. We had taken the dog spot next day. The weapon which was used, or the item which was used to murder the woman also, which was a stone, which was thrown close by. The K9 had sniffed it and sniffed apparel belonging to the victim and actually traced the stone. So we had recovered that stone. He's in judicial custody. We're treating that as a special report case, and we'll be charging that case very soon. The motive, there was an altercation because between husband and wife. Husband was suspecting spouse of an affair and all that, and got into an argument, and that's how he hit her.
So when was this murder took place, in the night or in the?
Yes, at night.
At night.
Katanat Customs Preventive Northeastern Region hagasngi palay jong katayo kalapen long ya kejing kenra hakilai teli kijaka hakaba kalayo kurup yu drug heroin but ya kidawai kuli methamphetamine kibashong dor life hope point iwe hinyo klur tengka.
Hagjing kenra Katanat Customs Silchar rengkat kejing trailang bagi sipai BSF. Kelio abat ikaw kali Mahindra Bolero na pani bhora hak surok Mizoram Silchar. Bat na kene kali leo kurup nyop kundai teli kisong sabon bagentop ya praspa propusan point 100 gram u balasuba beriu heroin bat khatsan sendok keberani kejing kia khatsan kilo kedawai tablet methamphetamine. Kejing song dor kini kimar bian baleo kurup kalakot jaka arpuar point iweisan klur tengka. Hagawai pat kejing kenra Hatelia Mura Agartala. Kibriu Katanat Custom bagi sipai ke 28 Battalion Assam Rifles. Kili obat ikawai ke Arshaka Hajan Bacai Bari. Hag surak Kamalpur Kowai. Bat kili kurup sau paket ubadon ya kejing kia sau kilo belasuba badai u methamphetamine. Yang ini kimar bian lawan rak na Myanmar lembaka Mizoram sa Agartala. Kejing song dor kini kimar bian kalakot saka sau point not ar klur tengka. Malakam minu beriau belanja ikan tok-tok. Sahagawai pat kejing penap syrip ha Singerbel Agartala. Kibreo ketenat custom rengkat ke CPF Agartala kila ketong ya kowe ketuk-tuk ke baklem number bat kelio kurup ya utablet yaba basau kilo kebelawan rak na kowai sha Vijayanagar da arngut Kibreo. Yang ini tablet la subajur batemu bancalan neng ba kajaka kaput ke Mizoram Tripura ke badan hajan ka Agartala.
Menteri ketenat jengok kai jong ke Jela Meghalaya bak polling do ula pentip. Baka sarkar jela kum shibenta banyale ban pet perman ya ke syong suk syong san haki jaka jengok kai kala betha ya ke Sora Tourism Association STA bahkan IT ya ke kerteng jong ki jaka jengok kai ke bakong san ban yok bu ya ki kor CCTV kam tam ya ki jaka ke ba ikop bakila ban mi kino ki cingja.
Ka Sarkar Meghalaya kala betha ka Sora Tourism Association bagan IT ka thup kerteng jong ki jaka jengok kai ba ki jaka ba idon kam ki bi ikop bala ban mi kinu jingja kenang bani oban pendat no ki kor CCTV ya kane le pentip do menteri ketenat jengok kai pertai ke Jela ba poleng do habe kran bat kinong thok kubor uba poleng do ulong ba ki jaka ki ban bu ki kor CCTV kine ki jaka ki buan yo kejat bon kinong jengok kai pertai kumhapung umyam nan pelok Sora dauki bat ki wei jaka da ke bakado ba Sarkar Jela kan sathiat thamai biang ya ki kali prime hapo unai tung ki ban kit ya kinong wan jengok kai pertai ki buan Shaka Jela uli thu bekendan kumbasan putli ki kali ba Sarkar kan sayat kat kum gelenti ke badai ban khot kinong sengkam ki bukwa ban yo ekane ke skim haba kali halor ke jingsingan kinong wan jengok kai pertai Menteri uli thu ba Sarkar kelarai ban pentere kami ki senjam baper ban penti kenai ke jingsingan ban jingadai bro kinong wan jengok kai ki bon yo kejat ha ke Jela kini ki kenthop ke jinghap ban penrung kerteng klempep ki kinong wan jengok kai ke jing pendat ki kor CCTV ki jaga jengok kai badan bun ki bajuan jengok kai bat ki kibai nalor kania barok ki yeng basa kum ki homestay ki hotel bat ki kibai ken haban penrung kerteng mentai ki bria ku wansa lengba ka tourism app kabala don lupa ka ba mentala penan kam tang kumba ndropo naksispa daki yeng basa.
The approach of the government will be multi-pronged. First, as I mentioned the other day, we will ensure that all lodges, all accommodation units will now compulsorily register their guests through the tourism app, which is already available and which till today is being used by roughly 60% of the accommodation units. One. Two is you must have also seen the ban on the use of private vehicles to ferry travelers. Three, and more importantly, the decision for us in the cabinet to revisit the MRSSA and give it more teeth will also help to a large extent for us to be able to control crime. Fourth, the state police has already made a name for itself by cracking this criminal case of Sonam in record time, which is 7 days. That spectacular performance of the Meghalaya police itself has, I'm sure, put the fear of to visitors to not play around while traveling to Meghalaya. You can come here as tourists. We will welcome you, but if you create any issues and indulge yourself in criminal activities, the state police is there to immediately jump upon you. See, in any sector, especially a sector as fragile as tourism, there are always ups and downs. But if you are to attribute if there's any decline in the footfalls, it would not be only because of this one single incident. You have to consider the traffic situation in the city. You have to consider the flash floods and the water logging at Jorabat, all of these also hinder, movement of tourists. So these are being resolved. For instance, though, when it comes to the waterlogging at Khanapara and Jorbat, we have just had a discussion at the level of the chief ministers of both Assam and Meghalaya. So there are multiple factors, but on the whole, after this case has been solved by the state police, there is a tendency for this sector to again recover, and hopefully with our announcement of future events like the Cherry Blossom 25, which we will make soon, we expect that there will be an upsurge of visitors again.
Kementeri Kekuat Kekia jong kejela kekong amperin lingdo hakisngi baar jong ketayo galapan pau ya kecing sungsi halo kecing klatno jong kelong kemi ringkat balai ikun iba kalapun hapok kepo HMCH Hospital Jowai bat kalaong baka sorkar kadang ab banyo eka kaipot jong tokin halor kani kecingja.
Halor kecing klat kelong kemi ke Armet na jalapet sutengah HMCH Hospital Jowai. Kementeri Ketenat Kakoi Kakya Kejela Meghalaya Dr. Ampurin Lengdo iloong bakatenat kenang ap ekakai pot halor kejing tokit ya kani kamat laban kedawang ni baikong pence bare bad ikun barang pun hakpo ila klakno hak MCH Hospital hapana liar Jowai hak santrik ujeleu arajar arusan na kejing pat ke pelakon banda kaliang gibahayeng kila keno bagani keja na kejing slam kinong sumar jong kani hospital ban ai kejing sumar. Habakran kila apatay kubor Dr. Ampurin Lengdo ilong bagi jinja baklan o kalong kemi na jalapet. Kibahiyeng kila daban ujor sa kiyang syari, bad nalor kani ke Human Rights Commission jong jala kila daban pan ka kaipot halor kani ke jinja. Dr. Ampurin Lengdo ilong bakalong kapasngusi bah halor kani ke jinja bad keterat ke cimkia ban pet bakum ke jala kamdi ban mat biang sasisian. Hendrai manu babakla, hai gibakla omparla ban keno Hendrai yakini baro anhap benda keren hak jaka kebadai.
Ba kibayeng kilalit approach ya ke kedop jong ke yeng syari pilayo iru ba ka Human Rights Committee jong ke state kalakpan yang ke report bat namar ba kini berkhot kijingja ha katukas ni omla banshuya khana haka media tinga ngashu ong tangkum ni ngidak thang baka don kum kutu kejinja but nadu ngi ba ngalayo ya kene kejingtip ngilay pelong yi ki meeting ki prepare ngala bu oi ka committee kala pun kre yi ki kai pot prepare haba hablet ai syakanu ko way na kiniki agencies bagi bahayeng kilalit but kakthang kamansim rei ngihapan pet akum kecela kum kini kijat jengja kim dei ronja manu babakla hei bakla ngam ko ban khana namar pa saya thirn dala poi se kita ki jaka ki bagi bahayeng kilalit ngin yepet nga syudan tangkaway ban ong bat kata kalong ngihap ban pet bakum ke department jong ke sorkar ngimdei ban syak yakum kani bakanja ya ka maternal mortality rate ilay ngila combat very efficiently kum ka state lembak kiskin per ki ngila wan ra ki kindet panai hadin bayo iya kajing du no jong ki bensin bokordor jong ki kemi bat ki kun ha katai ke indicator ke boong ba ngidon kamban don ki interventions ki beperupe ngilale kata timanta ya kani ke case nin sapet kumno kawan kajing bisya bat nakaliang ka jong nga kwa an aya ka jing pentip ya baro ba lada don kanu kejing bakalanang ni ke komiti kan sepen iya ni bat ngiru ngin hap hi ban shim ya kanu ke disciplinary action lada lap bat don kum kata kalaps ne kanu ke jing bakla kabaja hak tu kesui ngin up ikita ke reports bakin point but in up ya kata ka hearing bakan one ngin up ya kata ka respond jungi ke bangin ai ka Human Rights Commission pan ngin saya pet ka yat kumo ni syakman
Mun nagaliang department dapat dan kaya rai bakan nak jing yarap sekinai ki lamajeng namarang ya i kumbaki dan kecing dawa nagaliang lamajeng
ai baki yang bishar kin rai ya ka ka di bende kila yat syakman kila let syaka kerdop jong ka yang bishar niru nimla syu ban syemi kanu rai nomor kila let syaka yang bishar tingin saya pen kumno kaya kata ka case pat kumno kalong rain naladi hite ngite bang lada dan kacing bakla ki bale bakla ki hap hi ban bakle ringin pat yo ikit ke report pat ngampat la pan ong ai ru alor kani tak hadu pangan la yo ke
Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukonrat ke Sangma hakala sing blay jong katayo ulasam ikishiti thungkam ne appointment letter shaki arspa ngut kinas bat shakishi spa khat sangut kinong tre jong ka National Ayush Mission NAM bat ula pelai ru ya ke Meghalaya State Antibiotic Policy arajar arphosan arajar arphonrio
Kini ki arspa ngut kinas ki balayo ikishiti thungkam apo jong ka Meghalaya Medical Services Recruitment Board bachi spa kat sanwat kinang tray hapo jang ka National Ayush Mission. Agini ke jingalang le dan lang ka menteri ketenat ka kwek kakya i Dr. Ampurin Lingdo, i Head Officer Sarkar kinang mikmat naga Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital, Nazareth Hospital, Bethany Hospital, Supercare Hospital, Woodland Hospital, Bansara Eye Clinic, Suncare Charitable Trust, Children's Hospital, kibiran na kanong Shillong, nangta ka Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital Hajawai, St. Joseph's Hospital Nongston, Macarius Medical Center Mairang, Holy Cross Hospital Tura, Tura Christian Hospital Tura. Abakran ni kajingalang konrat kongkal sangma ulong mai kini kibalayo akam, bakani kalong parat ikakam, bakadi kajingkot. Kumta kidai banlet chaman la kinong pang da kajing slow bakajing la isnai, nang bakan wanra kajing kalai kajing imjongki. Menteri Rangba ulong ru benaduk kesenam arajar shipau, kajing mang tengkah kakya kelakio mentah syaka Henry Usha, kata nagalai sepak keluar tengkah, Syaka syajar news pak kortengkah haksam al-hajar al-pulai. Bala baha pisah nagabentak PHC, CHC, Subcenter, bat ki District Hospital. Bantai kijingtai bapher ban penbiang hitiar gitar bat ki kor keyboard, ki kor IT, bat ki wei. Ulong baha kesna marajar kat pra lama ada kijing na kijing tuna, kijing dan ki doktor. Untuk sarkar ke tungkam, sans pa angot ki doktor hapo jong kalai benai. Hadian beliau ujung menjor na kekunhun menteri. Berkatong joko sarkar kalong kabasay, ba uno-uno nong syong shnong, unom dan kam manik cebar kejela Meghalaya, banyo jing sumar.
Health is one of the most important pillars for us as a government. And it should be for every government, for every individual, for every family, for every society. And realizing the importance that we need to give to health, Dr. Sampath has shared with you that we have been, I should say, opening up the envelope for the health sector like never before. Meghalaya spends the highest in terms of percentage of the budget compared to any other state in the country on health. So it's not just a speech that I'm giving, but even in action, we are proving that health is one of the most important verticals for us, the most important pillar for us, one of the most important sectors for us. So 8% plus of our budget, which is the highest in the country, today is spent on health. Multiple reforms have been done when it comes to the health sector. Number of investments have been made. Different aspects of administration, different aspects of equipments, machinery, drugs, medicines being available, so on and so forth in almost every sector. When you look at the health sector, we have ensured that we are able to move forward. But large amount of funds today has been pumped in to improve the overall infrastructure in different PHCs, CHCs, sub-centers, civil hospitals and different district hospitals. We have a long way to go, but I can tell you that we are in the right direction.
Menteri Katanat Jungok Kai Pertai ubak polling do ula pentip bakasoka jela kalamang nyo point not like lur tingka na kabentaban pin itanat syusyu yakanan polok lani ka word slick kabadai ke jaka Jungok Kai ke bapau nam hakanong ba kanang ba kring syusyu yakinong Jungok Kai Pertai.
Menteri Katanat Jungok Kai Pertai ke jela Meghalaya ubak polling do uli tho baga sarkar jela kalamang nyo point not like lur tingka ban pin itanat syusyu yakanan polok kabadan hapedeng genong ba Shillong. Da kabasedang ya kejung kod nengkong ya ku kabadan hak denganan. Habakrani gelat patai kubora ka khatnyo trek ujelew arajar arfusan uba poleng do ulong bay ke negara la shim na kebenta ban kring syusyu kinong wan Jungok Kai Pertai syakajela. Da kabapentit bagatanat gladap khot tanda ban pen kod ya ku kabadan hak denganan berkikam kin sedang haki ar nilai tayo banwan. Hakabaya ka neganan an pen kod da kikor kibor kajuk mementah belatip kumkan nano bubbles. Baradin balapan kuat ya kabaran hang ni kan long kebala kuat shisha. Nalor kani ubah poleng do ula pentip ru batang syukut ka ayam slap kin salah aru ban sedang no ya ka light and sound show hanan polok. Ya ka balamang kumasau klur tengka ban pentre ya ka. Halor kani jingkot tanda na kabenta kani ka kamru kan sesedang no asyen bare kani ka project an pendap apo handreu na prabenai. Bat katanat kelapan kreru ban paasna ya ki jakalit bar ki bapaka na kabenta ki patba kumju na kabenta ki nong wan Jungok Kai Pertai ha ki jipo ne khat art ligi jaka ki balajir uba poleng do ule tho ba katanat kalamang mar arpsan lak tengka ban sna ya ki jakalit bar ki jipo ne khat art ligi jaka kum ha kapung umyam nan pelok seora dauki bergewe ki bai ki jaka Jungok Kai.
Enhancing the potential of Wards Lake as a tourist destination, we are going ahead with the desiltation of the lake, and through the Department of Urban Affairs, I am glad to share with you that an amount of rupees 7 crore 3 lakhs 67,071 rupees has already been earmarked for the work of beautification of the lake. This beautification would involve treatment of the water, what is known as oxygenation, and this work has already been allotted, and meaning tenders have been called, NIT has been issued, and within the next 2 weeks or so, work on the ground will start. This work, once taken up, the cleaning and beautification of Wards Lake, you will see that once completed, the water will be sparkling clean, and also with this use of the technology that is known as nano bubbler, it will help to oxygenate the lake. 2 is we are also going ahead with the construction of toilets for use of the general public at various tourist destinations. Roughly 10 to 12 such locations have been identified, and these toilets will have a sanction of about 25 lakhs per toilet. The end of the monsoon season, we should also be able to begin work for the light and sound show at Wards Lake. An amount of roughly 4 crore rupees has been earmarked, and the process of tendering this particular project will start soon. And as I mentioned, work on the ground will begin by end of August or September. The project will take roughly 6 to 8 months until completion.
Namar kecing berat pathar ki patba ki nyut kinyer kabala lam sa kecing sma utung bat kecing jabok katang hakasin sa jan jong katayo baladam kador bar shnong sangling kala mencur ban syabiang ki patba ban berat ki nyut bat hadien bala simru ya karai ban thau ya ka monitoring committee kaban kmi ya ka khoi ka suba.
Kador bar shnong sangling kala menjur ban ailat biang ban berat ki jaklia ki bami ni ki yeng brio bat ki dukan beper ki badon hagi shnong jong katha nong po hadien ba ka jingelang ka balalum kerkie kalong hapreng ki bor peniat district Ribhoi ha ka bagla menjur ban snap ki mat jing dawa jong kador bar shnong laban kedau bagi shnong ki tau ke bahap apa kesor nong po kilamat jeng ya shikadai nado ka khat artarik ujilio hadien bakim shimlayo shu ban berat ki jabo jaban ki bami ni ki tliwing jagi brio bagi dukan na ki jingkhang persya kador bar shnong sangling namar bagane ki jakat anyut la keno bala shubrat pathar ki jaklia klim da buram shu ki nong shong shnong baglami ki jing smai utung ke bashir khai ki blarung chiki yeng brio ha ka shnong sangling ke bla kta ru ya ka koi ka khya halor kini ke jing e ka bakraw na ki jingkhang ban penon kam ka jakka berat nyut ha sangling ki bor pindat district Ribhoi balalam kmat deputy commissioner Abilash Baranwal UMLA kenong po uba Amiral Bonds IM ki officer nakatanat penroisor lembat kirang ba asnong ni gisnong beper ba kesenjuk kirang ba asnong ki pratli gisnong kilalit jurep begene ka jaka kebala kenok bala berat pathar ki jaklia rengkat ba kinong lam snong ko sangling ha ka ba kilalap yakani hagani ki jinglit jurep lalap shisha ba ki kali kit jabo ni gisnong beper kila subrat pathar klam dabut tek ki kendon bala bo bat ka jingbam pentrekam jong ka jaka berat nyut kumbadai ban pentrekam kumbala angnut baka jinghang persya ban berat jabot ak snong sangling kalong kabasyong nia kiloong hadien kejing jurep begini kejaka lepelong pat se kejing gelang kerpang ha ka conference hall jong office u deputy commissioner baneta helor kene kejing e ha ka bala sheme karai ban thau da monitoring committee ban clear u deputy commissioner ki ADC bekirang ba snong ban pet kejaka the nyut akane snong sangling nalor ban pun urlong ru ikimat jing dawa jong kador bar shnong sangling
ba ngiyo yang hang ne ru trai ngi su yang jubardasti baca ka kam rai ban yang slam ngi trai ban mla ka jing sma ka jing bun ki sky nak liang ka bar shnong hi kumbang ngi la i pilawan hang ne pilayo i dalagi jong ki khmat TKA kata nak liang ka department kandon ban ong lada nak liang ka department kumbang nak kupor ngi la dep yakran ngi la pun koi daga jing tho kan rai tat endang ngi la poi sa kane ka sinjam ban yakhi ni trai ki la simkya ban wan mi ngi kwa ban bu jingkeli ka department concern ka ba damakahi kelawan mempet ne ka ka don ban ong kalor kane endang ngi la yo jing pensai naki ngin sa ai patsa ka jubab nak liang ka jingi
kata sudah bensai jadi kuy balano di bensai when you are in the position to see the one assurance
the process I think there is some process it will take I think by August September since last year also we have a meeting between you tender and all but now almost 1 year nothing has done nothing action has been taken so if we'll wait just verbally we'll say that at the earliest we'll take action but if we'll just wait then the same thing will happen as a process and all this RAT and all it takes time it's a procedure system I think it will by September
dan ni bentar long di kam office itu bentar ban ni wa ni hab ya balance of deng ban ya ayo ta kom de Maybe by August.
By September it will start. But then request for proposal. So can we, in how many days can it be floated? Request for proposal.
21 days per day. It takes time. Then after that,
No, that's okay. That's okay. See, the point is, they need to see that it has started. At least, the official process, whatever time it takes, that's so they are ready to understand.
Official process, I think by September, we shall Entah mentah kita sedap ke meeting kawala pendek ban perlong mentah kesini. Nila yo banyak tir banyak time ban semua bersengap. Ya kini kawai ni kita kawala slam. Kini kami rekam kawal temai kawai di bat kajing persang ban wara ya kilat kelenti na mentah ban penbahas pang kajing berat kinyut di bami dan kita jabok di bami na po isnong di bahap po kasor nong po di bawai. Tinggal ayo benda penbek jelah pediang ya ke city nak kaliang jong ka snong sangding kapala kersan nak sinjuk ka snong bat ban ayo benda keren sani ban address ya gitu giding don kam kala amdi badi bat surok kala amdi ban penbhai kan ni jaka bat ba ha ka bidi bat ka jing khang ka jong ka snong sangding ban ligret giding jabo kadi giding sisa bat ba kidi hok hi ban le kumta namar ba ki jabo ki belalang hantu dalong sisa ka jing ka ya ka leer ka giring bensin ban syong ban sar kadi giding sisa bat ba de nak tagadau bila yo nak krem ya pendek bat ba kaliang ni kiru kendon ki boleh bu badi ban penkuit nok mardor ki gitu jabo ki badan hantu kadang ba ki wig snong di pahap bo son nok po kinla ban sedang ban bread ya dijabo itu bat nilai simru ya karai bahkan don kenika monitoring committee po kan po tahun ya kaba lakli dalam deputy commissioner member secretary di ADM jongi bat kita khot ki bahkan top ya kinong mikmat na tahun committee na kirang ba snong bat kumju na snong sangding bat sinjuk di snong bat expert na ka urban affairs department Lai don lang hakane ka monitoring company kebala sedang menteri kam naduk mentah naduk kena kapor mengakran mengamentah kalau sedang menteri kam bad bagi kam kin sedang baniat naduk mentah kuno ban penting kena ka management mano balik berat kinyut tindak jeng don kicokidar bandon daga gate ban penting kena ban regulate kenang bahkan nomlong gajeng berat 4 hari kini jabo ba wi ni gidaw kalau pelong ba ban lang kiti jabo ang tiru kim desu ki mami tang lagi senong kalau don kiwi ru ki balik berat ki jabo ki jaban ki nang no namar ba don ba pek kena gini segi kumno ban regulate ban khang tang kino ki bade hok balik berat ning takadaw ka digi jeng ya ka dorbat senong ka jeng dawa ka jeng ki persno jeng ki di bosong nia bat kum MLD layo ban ya kendulang ki naga town naga district administration bat ni kat bala ni sutu ba in la ban dikena nam tadi jeng baik jong ni kam ki jeng gidon baik nang tadi di penkre nam tadi wi project ki manang kam penbah ya kan ni ka kabadon mentah ngala terang gila kenomno hadin lai benai do sau benai ke sala ban sedang ban tri kam ban penbah kan ni bat kita
kimat jing dawa kiba na kaliang kasnong ka junging ibu kidon na do kumba khat sau teli te kamat ka baningkong ka bana kaliang kasnong ka junging labu hakabede berti surak namar ka jingjot rathai jungti surak te kine kali ki bawan theknyut ki haban yak lengba une surak idon kali he mo ki badang kampen sniu pala susu hakane ka porlion te kamat ka ba hakamat ka bat ka ba kongsan kadai hakabede berti surak ba ka tnat PWD kadai ban snano mardor kamde tang ban maramot namar ka ba ka condition ban maramot kamdon chu andrei bakin sedang biang da ka bathmai le yak penhe black topping kumjuru ya ka proper drainage system kata kadai ka mat ka ba ningkong ka bangi na kaliang ka dorbar sunong ilabu bat ka mat ka baar kadai bakin peniang no ya ka gate hangte ya jaka tenyut bat ban thungno arngut ki chokidar khnang ba kita ki chokidar kidla ban pej perman ya kar komwan tenyut kumjuru ya kito ki bamde hok banwan tenyut kila ban pensisa ban khang lane ban be kata kadai kamat ka ba hakmat kumka dorbar sunong gabu ya ka ba mentah lang insya ne am ban berat ya kate ya kinyut ki bawan na po ka nong po taw na kaliang ka jungi labu bangin perlaj no ya ki ban berat tang bada ka condition labu ba kidai ban penkuchwa ya kita kinyut ki ba ki labrat pathar barok si kata day anda kila de ban penkuj ban weng yeti kinyut hadin kata nak liang ador barsunong ngin sasya yaki bakin berat lem da kumta lada kim patla ban penkuj yakate ngin omsya bat hadu kan no kan simpor lada kasimpor menta kasngi yaki ban penkuj kila la ban berat lasai lada kasimpor lasai gamut anda kila de tang bahadu bakin derdiap chua ban penkuj ya ketika nyut ke bala berat patar barot sekatan
nang jur kathma hapedeng ke Israel bat ke Iran kipat ba hakaleng kiri menta ke lapai khamat halo ke jingkithma hapedeng ke Israel bat ke Iran bat hakaba kini kiri menta kila sedang banyak ther mar kelyang bat kala sedang ru ban pensyapting bakane kathma hapedeng jongki kala banang he shushu ladaja babon kiri ke sedang banyak snok tilang ban kershan yakini ki artli kiri Henry ki babuan kiri ki kwa ba ke Israel bat ke Iran kan poino sakajing song thu jingmut bat ban penkut no yakene ke jing kan art happening jongki
Kani ke jing ther happening kini ki ari kala ne mentala bun sngi bat kala nang he ha ka ba kila ther ki namding bat ki ling sun nyapom kila shem ya lagi benta banet ther ha kaleng ki jaka kebelalam sakajing jular bat jingdo ki jing embryo Namar kene ke jengkan ad ke sarkar India kalal isyaw no ay kishis pa ashpongot ki samla puli ki bupuli hakari Iran bargine baro lawan yalam no syakari India. Wat ki bagi riru kilal isyaw no ay samla puli ki belet trail kita aru hagini giri bala betha iki officer jongkari ki badan ha Iran bat Israel bakin mino namar ke jungbam singan. Haba kene ke thama kelas tangjor bat haba ki khlie jong kini ki artli kiri kila kranchai bakim tre ban pendam. Kene kejeng kanat kelapan khuslai ki bobon kiri kila persang banelak ban temno kene kejeng kanat da kebayakran bat unong yalam jogeri Iran u Ali Khamenei bat menteri rang bado keri Israel u Benjamin Netanyahu bat donno kejeng kran ban poino asya kejeng stu jengmut wat kino yalam jogeri ki bleshim benta kejeng yalang jong ke group of 7 kablalong hakeri Canada kelapan pau bade ban temno mardor ya kene kejeng kanat hapdang ke Iran bat ke Israel But kila yang skamru akan rem ba amde ban ailat ke Iran bandan yau nuclear bomb.
Israel is defending freedom in the Middle East and beyond. We're doing so against a tyrannical and radical Iranian regime that wants to build atomic bombs to destroy us and wants to build ballistic missiles, including intercontinental ballistic missile, to be able to threaten anyone and everywhere in the world. By defending ourselves, we're also defending others. We're defending our Arab neighbors, our Arab friends in peace. We're defending Europe. We're helping defend also the United States, which helps us all the time in our defense. This is an important mission. Right now, the Iranian regime is bombing our civilian neighborhoods while we are targeting the terrorists. Now, this is not new. They've tried to assassinate President Trump twice. They bombed American embassies. They killed 241 Marines in Beirut. They killed and injured thousands of Americans with their IEDs in Iraq and Afghanistan. They burn the American flag. They chant endlessly, "Death to America." Our enemy is your enemy. And by doing what we're doing, we're dealing with something that will threaten all of us sooner or later. Our victory will be your victory. How do we intend to achieve that victory? Well, we've already done great things. We've taken out their senior military leadership. We've taken out their senior technologists who are leading the race to build atomic weapons that would threaten us, but not only us. We've done all that and many other things. But we are also aware of the fact that there's more to be done. So we're preparing. We paved the way to Tehran, and our pilots over the skies of Tehran will deal blows to the Ayatollah regime that they cannot even imagine. And I can tell you this. We have indications that senior leaders in Iran are already packing their bags. They sense what's coming. I'll tell you what would have come if we hadn't acted. We had information that this unscrupulous regime was planning to give the nuclear weapons that they would develop to their terrorist proxies. That's nuclear terrorism on steroids. That would threaten the entire world. This is what Israel is doing with the support, the clear support of the President of the United States, Donald Trump, and the American people, and many others in the world. So with God's help, and with the goodwill and resolution of all free societies, we shall win.
Hey, Jaden, video.
Abangin beteng biang iki kubor sa sisingin pinkan mau yaki mat pekong sanjong ka kubor mentah katayo. Lap ki pulit saya kawe kawan nawai saudong kila kubur bakila don kti haka kampin yap ong uba Vivex im. Ja sekawe kapun jong kesunam yok ki pulit arsi bantokit ya kesunam bat ya uraj. Hadin kacing ia nok kam uba Jemino Encik General Secretary Thmai ke UDP hak jingalang CEC kebanwan. Yok siti tungkam ars pangut kinas bat sispa khatsanut kinong trai ke National Ayush. Grup Katanat Customs yau drug uba laipo point iwe hinyau klur tengka na lai teli kicaka. Bat bu mau nongrim bantai ya ke Additional Secretariat kaba sispa san pondriu klur tengka hatura. Dah kecing sokya, halau kecing suki ban pentrai ya kesurok 4 lane na Shillong Shadauki, kepala ketaru ya kelet kawan jong kipat ba, hakas ngi hat majai jong katayo, kino ya lam jong kesenjuk kinong sensar Shillong Upper Shillong, ringkat bat ki engineer bat officer ke Sarkar Jilla, bat ke NHIDCL, kila let jurep ya kecing sena ya kini ke projek, bat la dawaru ban penstet no ya ke rukom trekam, hakecing sena ya kini ke surok.
Cisngi hadian bagi ladap menikendo yang ke Deputy Commissioner ke District East Khasi Hills. Halor ke Jingsuki ban pentre ke Surok Folian na Shillong Shadauki. Kesenjuk inong sensar Shillong Upper Shillong, haka katnyok tarik ujeliau arazar arpusan. Kilalit benjurip ke Jingtray yang ke projek haka pasedang nado ke Jingking Sherpi. Naidan lang haka ni ke Jinglit jurip nado ke buat peniat jong ke NHIDCL ke ofisan ni ketenat boper-boper na ke Melim Blok ke Pulit bat kumjuk kinong yalam na kesenjuk. Abakiran ni gelak patai kubor unong aibut jong ka sinjok nong sensar Shillong Upper Shillong uba di thangkio. Ula pentep bah ke jing jurep kila penpau haki he ke NHIDCL ya ke jing suki jong ke jing tray. Bat kumjo ia ki babon kimat ki belakta apa de kalit kawan jong kipat ba. Ula ong baladak ban penpau ba ke jing pentray ke suki palat ban kaliang jong kiru ki kubor ya kata. Kumta kila kentu bagin penstat no namarkan ni kade ke surok ba bat kelami ru ke jing dheng kali ke bejor ba na ke bentakan ni. Ubidio ka meliam uba toshan bah marwen ula batai ke jinglap na kani ke jingjure. Dagaliang ke senjok ke lapan pau bagi dong ke bakloi pan ai ke jingi lang bat ke company ba pentrai na ke benta ke jingi adbet bat banyak stat ka kam nang bagi pat ba ke no mat show ya ke jing saakot deng kali daki kenta.
Iwan ban jurip ya kini ka surok ba pentrai menta limba ke NHIDCL te kiladon kartu kan ni gijing ujor na kaliang kesnong baki jinge baki syam maki halor gani ka jing pentre jong gani ka surok wilayah poiswa hamte ha ka bridge Sherpi hadin tapat wilayah wan sa lumoba ngi poipat sa 101 area hadin 101 area pat ngi wan hadu gani ka point mentah te ngilalap kibun katu kani ki issues ba na kaliang NHIDCL ba ki officials kila kular ba ki pendap kamtam ban resolve ki issues ba ki kisham ki paj ba kawi kalong ba kala khamnya kamtam ru bangi pej ba ki traffic kala pentut ya kajing ya iki kali badru kala wanra ya kajing iki paj ba ki bunsin ba kisham jing lara kile Shillong lan kile kinu kijing tre jong ki kisham simpor ba bani tang na kadaw ba khamnya ka surok badru ba kebun palat ke traffic yang mentaski nilai wan ngila don rekat lang bagi sinong tengah aingu i borok ki nongkit kam jang sinong ki bala don rekat lang bangi te mengi ngila kerpat yu NHIDCL badu ngila request ba udi ban pen kloi ban pentre kam ya kene ka surok kenang ba kan wanra ya ka jing mentoi ki paj ba hot ki don kalian ke NHIDCL su ki bun ki issues ba makiru ki syam ki bun ki challenges ki problems tengiru na liang jengi ngi kloi ban menyerap yaki banai kanu ko cooperation la ni ka jing tri kamlang berki baki don kap
kenre ke isu ke ba ningkong do ke bakta ingi kalong ka jing sakun ne jing denggali ka balalong saba palat ka ba ngi kum ki nong song snong jong ka thai ngimla shu ban pediang ne ban chu ngam te ka meeting menin layo ban ya kenduk lang ka jing don lang jong tinang ba snong baro kinong kit kam jong ka senjung ka police department bat kamtam ya ka NHIDCL kiba pentre ya kini ka project bat kumbala batai i video jengi ba ngilayo ban man inspect mane hang dia po jengking Sherpi bat ngila pensngau ya ka NHIDCL ba kajing sedang jong ke traffic jam hapo upper selong kade kajing slow jong ke traffic hapo jengking umserpi kamdei bagadang sna ya ketu ke side bridge ndrei kani kajing deng kali kala dei mentala katu kani penai but ngila snow pensau bah ki ba kani kade ke bagaimana men pediang namar ba kakam kalong ke basuki siapa pelat kajing tre jongki kalong kabam da biang hadu kata bangila wan page di khmat la jong mene buat nak kaliang jong kiru kila kubur hi namar bakimla ben pendap yang ni projek kumba kila kular dan reipat kumla pensai video ngila yo ba banya selok batki bat kila pensau ye jing haba mangi nak kaliang kesenjuk bat ngila kular menginya trelang batki bat la dong kam ke jigarap ngilang tu bakloi banya rapiki dan rei mene ngila yo pat ban pensau ye ki ba jadi ban pendap no shawut buat ban repair ya ketika stretch yang dia umserpi hadu ang ni alai mer ang ni bedeso kenang baka trafik kan long ka bakam kloi bat kesrok kan bah bat kibrio kila ban nyai namar dengi cross ya kar lubang hi bagin le jingle sesor men step por pra khanda ispo buje tang sulit yang tu khmat kesrok pala kloi na poi sepo MES anjeli pom gari khana kala ham kloi ke trafik kan re hang ni pinepej menta la hadwai bejero ka trafik jam kadang don ba hang ni surok kalong kai ge jing ya ki nong snong jong kan ga than bat kiwe ki isu pat kamala batai video kedai ba ki line department ki badon hang ni nak kaliang PHE nak kaliang traffic ro kila kular bakin kersan ya kini ka jempen stat ya kini kam hang ni pot than jongi bat yang ai kublai sha ya video EDC ki department traffic police bat khamtam ki para nuk kam jong kesenjuk bangalai platform hang ni kapor mangi don kada jing snow kya hamin sem bani i ba kinong snong jongi hang ni kin hamat ya kini ka traffic jam man kesni
Kaseng samla maulai pelun SSMP hakasni tok dia kalale ya kendo yo chief engineer dom ketenat public health engineering PHE ban but dia nya kedor khas kebala pha da kaseng hakabe dai bat kamat jong kejing kerdu hapok kasnong maulai kebala bu hakajing yikipat ba ban yo ya ke bam di
Kinong ilam kaseng samla maulai pelun haka arpo trik ujleu arajar arpusan glalit bani kendo yo he officer ketenat PHE ban bot dia lo gejing kaba kidong baper haka shnong maulai kimat ya gejing kabede ba gejing kerdo shnong maulai ke bakan thop ya gebenta basiteng jong kedong nong luom nong pedeng selai karya matsiar jayur maudat baki kenton masar mauro baki begiwe kede ke besyak ta ba gejing nuna Habakrani gelar patai kubor Presiden Kaseng Samla Maulai Pelun ubak Samuel Biam ulitho bagajengwan bani kendo yang ni he officer ke PHE. Kalong mat penpau hu bagasnong Maulai hi kibabun kiyo tang arsin shtayo. Kabakdo bakiwe kiwe gisnong kibashabar ke Maulai pat kiyo man kasni. Ulang manalor kani Kaseng gelawan ban pesnguru halor jeng bamyo ban ring thamai. Dekinong Maulai wala kasnong Maulai kede kasnong kabala he bah. Lagi nong kim yo menring ya galan thamai ban poi bar kabakat doe kadai hagasnem shajar kendai spa kendai punyo halur kani hablara ekene gamat ketenat kala kadau badai kajing duna bamla ban ai yagilan thamai ban poi ko ulong bakane kam de kajing duna na ko regede na kamar bam sam renti ya ko dakatenat Hagaba ula kadau ba kinong maulai ki babon hi ki babyang ban siyo ka bai wala ki yo tang plasit ni hagashi benai habi nujor bisnong bi apa ho bai ko ulo ang mahalor kani kaseng ka ap ikatanat bakan khot daga jingelang balare bakatanat kamla bale kaseng kasashim dagi senjam ki bateng
haka daga jadmir komenta ngiwan ban yekendu ICI nak yang kaseng samlam lai pulun kajingwan kajongi kalau ban follow up ya kan kajingwan ya kajingwan ban bud jingwan ban persngau jongi nak yang kaseng nak komenta ki pai nang sang jang snong maulai habi dei bat kedeka ka water problem hapo maulai ya kajingwan kajongi hatu kusin ko banengkong nak yang jong ka office nak yang jong ICI hatu por ila kular yang iba insa khot yang i nak benta ban reply ya kan jingwan ya kendu jongi hatu por hanre kam sim la pois noru de halor tak nang rem ngiwan bani kenduk biang mata kejamiat akan ka office jong si ing la yo bani kenduk biang i bat ka dau ba ke jingwan ke kenduk jong i ya i chief engineer jong ka PHE kali halor ka nang rem golong wa kali na ta ka water problem sepo mulai hoi menta ke ya kembang menta kla suthoi ak por liur kumne ko ka pohu mla pher than hari ngi thui ka dau trai jong ke jingwan ni kenduk jong i ya wani kenduk ICI ka ba kat kum ka di city ka bangi pensngau kalong hadi bagani ka jing ing tan kam kerki jong snong mulai namar ba ka dau ba kalong ba ka snong mulai jong ngi thui phi kani ka habidi bagani ka house connection ne ka mulai ka yo tang arsin sitio kat bagi wi snong ki bri sabar ka snong mulai ki yo bro stio lenter bat step bat mien te henry kat bau pipeline udi uju kat baya ka pipeline ke bade support mulai ki penduna support mulai ki penbuan segi wi senang ngim tep halor kono rem kai kada ba pelong ki bakin penduna kum ni de halor kini kono rem bat ka pun ke baar kolong ba ka senang mulai ka di senang ke belah he ka house connection ke ba ki lakshmi leti aslam ba ki senang gila pesno bahaya kini ka house connection ke ba hadu mentan damar kan lam maklai mat las ka di senang hadar ki senang ka kandai spa kandai panjul kandai prakum tater nadu kata kapur kamdan syuk house connection te habangiwan bani kendu hani ki ai daw baka jingduna pla jangko rengi ko ngi thui phi anda habangilawa bangilati bani ai kani ka kam kolong ba lara kadan ke jing ai ka jing sam ya ko ko belong renti ni ko mulai wat house connection ru kin yo lamba ka jing poi renti jangko hang te hapo ka top jangi ke badan hapo jang ka pi asi ke badan hapo moro hang te hari na kada ka jingduna jangko ka pelong bagi no mulai kim yo ya ka house connection ru bat kata ka jing penduna ya ko ru kolong ba hajaka bangin yo lang ka boyo ki we ki penduna yangi ki penpun sawai de halo kata kanore ngi yo tang arsis tio ba ki dan ru ki jaka le ki pakistan ne thui pi ke ba myo tikna ko omro te ki dan katu kan ni kisnang ke bangilap lagi jang khmat ki ba ki yo tang sin tio dan ki khap ki mi ru ko de halo kan ni kanore man tak singi lawan ban keren dak ba sai ba lada nagaliang ke department kim sim khai kan ni kaman ngim bersih bar wat persmo so MLA jongiru ba unkran ni kan ni hadu assembly te kum kini ing mag beling ham persmo kan ni ma ka di jing kap jang ba lada ki wi kisnang ki belong sabar kisnang mulai ki yo moi pi kemo lada pensai men ne ki yo poho beling ngim yo kan ni sui pi ka daw ba sakui paru ka bang pen mong ngi no mulai ka long ba wadi ka bai wadi kan ni ka jing ka bai ka bagi ki no mulai ki jusi renti ba lagi yo kana tang arsin stior ne ka mat prasin hak si benai ro hari ka jing siu ka bai kalau renti ba ki no mulai ki siu bai hari ngitip ba kini kisnang bersabar kisnang mulai kisiu keju hi ka amon ka kisiu ka mulai reki ki yo poho kemudian kami rumentien ngai balada ka ka poho ki ka house connection ka poho nei wat kinong sangwai jong itu gi brio gi ba adanya ka house connection ru kin yo lang hi na ka ka ki yo lamba ki trayeng lada ka kawan reti takani ka jing perso jong i bangla keren sai menta lada nakaliang ka department nakaliang ka office hi kim sim kha kane kam ki masih ngin sim ada koi kalat lenti kata ka jing perso ko jong i ban nakaliang ka jong ECE yang ba sakot no in reply no yang ya kane ka jingwan kan kendu jong i da ka city but in sakot sen ya ka meeting nang kata ban penbek ya kane ka jing sna molai ha ki ong su tho jing jing sna molai te henry mentang ki ong bakin sesim khia ya kan kam ngin yap up ya kata ka sithi kan kalong kumno ban ngin up ya kata ka jengkhot jeng ki kadan em kata ka jengkhot ke balada lada kim lam pun urlong tang emergency nama ki buon ki nang lam snong ki tip ya kan nama ngilada ban circulate ek sithi ke ba ngilada wan nang kong persngo ki buon abat ki nang khmat jok snong molai ru MLA MDC ngilada ban persngo ya kan tengi ngai scam bagan ka kam kon urlong ban ngi up stang ya kata kapur ba ki lan em pun urlong namar ba ngoi pingim pa ba kalong parsal kan ikor komle lada sakwi wi snong gi ba long da snong sabar snong molai tang na kada ka jeng tuklar jeng ki nang khmat ani ki he ki han ki yo poho ko longi tang da kada bam benuk persuar long ki sulia siliang ngin dem la man pedang kata tengi kwa ba ka kam kon orlong ngilawan da lenti ke bedai ngilawan on table tengi kwa ba ka kam kan kon orlong da mata ke jing dem kam jing molai ban ki kwa hiru ba ala kumdu ki molai kan orlong no kan ke jing angnut jing song molai khanak ban yo e kan house connection la ngilada persuar ki ba ki de ban thau kalak lenti ba unwan do we pat upai bolong thik separate tanam ta ke molai kana ba molai kan poho ya mentang oi pi badang tang slap kumni ka ka biang hari la sak portalang ngidi bunyo enjoy lang kumju kumbuyo lang kiwe kata ke dikajeng angnut kajungi bat ngim kwa ma pi kemal dap amne ngim kwa bakal parsal ni ka kam kumbolong lang sakiwe paksino kata hin
da kajing thmu ban penyajan ya kajing ajing syakri ya ki patba da kitana sarkar ba pher ha ka se pale jong ka tayo labo yo mau nongrim na ka banta bante ya ka additional secretariat complex hadakap gre tura ha kajing lut jing sap ka ban kot chispa sanphon rio klur tingka
Yauni mau nongrim bante ya ka additional secretariat labo do menteri rang ba ka jalau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ha ka dan lang ulampang yang dor bartawan ka jala u Thomas E Sangma usumbot lampang u Timothy di Shira usumbot menteri rang ba ka jalau ba asnyau balangdhar ki menteri sarkar jala ki MLA ki he officer sarkar balajan kumba prahajar ngut ki patba Habakana ka jingalang Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagane project kare ka khana ka history jing di patba ka jala kamtam e ya ka rilum garo Bat kani ke additional secretariat complex Hatura kanam dai atang ke jingtai ndai ke saki ya ke jingplai ke jing nolong ya ke jing angut ki patba ulong ba ke additional secretariat kan ajing syakri ki patba ka rilum garo ki balamat ki babun ki jing ban ya ke jing syakri na ke sarkar jela Bat kene ke additional secretariat kan Ajing Syakri ya ki Santali distrik Karilom Garo. Menteri Rangba ulang bak sarkar kala pe jengmot baga de bandan ki kampan roy hak jela berokowai ula penting bro bak sarkar ka dan jingtbo bantai ya ki mini secretariat ha jowai bat pen ursla.
Is that our government has always been focused on the objectives that we have tried to achieve. And we have ensured that we always walk the talk. We've always ensured that when we go out to achieve a goal, we must ensure that it is done at every level. And so bringing administration closer to the people was not just a statement we made, but it was followed by action, whether at block level, whether at SP level, whether at DC level, whether subdivision, and even at the hospital, PHC, and the different health institutions that we have. And hence, our goal and our efforts continue. We have sanctioned the mini secretariat in July. We have sanctioned the mini secretariat in Peninsula. And the objective again is to be able to provide administrative setup to be able to give the necessary services to the citizens and the people of that particular district or that particular subdivision. And it is with that thought and process in our minds that we strongly felt that an additional secretariat is important for the people of Garo Hills and especially the citizens here in Tura and the Garo Hills region. And through this, we will be able to bring administration to the doorstep of the people living in Garo Hills, where most of the services, most of the government schemes, people had to take long journeys to go to Shillong to avail those services. I'm sure that with the completion of the additional secretariat, we will be able to provide those different services right at the doorstep of the citizens.
Te paralog baro da kitu ki kubor ngila poi se ka bakut jong tup kubor jong iman ta ka tayo ngin se syam yang bat pi la syam tayo. Kublai